Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be adding fillets and chamfer to our valve body. It's going to be the same as the fillet and chamfer in the sketch that we covered previously. So let's go. So to start, let's click our fillet tool. So you have all this different type of fillet here. So this is a variable size fillet, this is a face fillet, which is like you select two faces, and this is a round fillet, which makes, it doesn't apply in this part, but maybe I'll make another example where this applies. So it makes a fillet, round fillet between this face and that face. But for this example, we are going to be using the constant size fillet, and you'll find that you will be using this fillet majority of the time. So to start, we'll select that, and we'll select our fillet size. For the first one, we want a 3 inches fillet, 3 millimeters. I don't know why I keep saying inches. So 3 millimeter fillet, and we want to apply it to that face, and we want to click OK. So let's select the fillet again. While we're still on 3, let's select that face, this edge, that edge, this edge, and that edge. And I actually have the tangent propagation. That is why the fillet is going around. So in case if yours isn't going around, you want to check that, or you can click all the edge up there to have your fillet going around. And this is what you want to select. You want to select those two and click OK. So you should have something like that. So the next one we will be selecting is the fillet also, and now we want to select this edge and below it, and we want to do the same thing on this side. Select that edge and below it, so you have something like that. And the reason why I'm selecting this fillet one by one is because if you try to select everything at once, it wouldn't work. So you have to select it one by one, just to add them in. So the fourth one, we are going to add another fillet, and we are going to add a fillet to this edge, and that fillet will be 1. Let's click this edge, and let's click this edge, and let's click OK. So you should have something like that. And the next fillet we are going to add is a 5, and let's select this edge and click OK. And the last fillet we are going to add is a 3, and let's select this edge and that edge and click OK. So that is how you add a fillet to your model, and as you can see, everything is coming together and it looks pretty good. So the next one we need to do is add a chamfer. So on the drop down, click chamfer. The chamfer works the same way as the sketch. You can either select angle, distance, or distance. So for this one, we're going to be doing the angle distance. So we have a distance of 45, and our angle is going to be 2.5. 2.5 distance, our angle is 45, excuse me. And we're going to select that edge and that edge. Click OK. So you have something like that. And the next one is we're going to select another chamfer, and our distance for this one is going to be 0.5 millimeter and 45, and we want to select this edge and click OK. And everything is looking good, and our valve body is coming together. Make sure you save your work. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.